First off, these are much different than the recessed lights that come with a big old box and steel metal housing. These just install right into a hole, and they have wings on the top. So you'll stick this up in the hole and the wings will grab a hold of the drywall and it'll stay in place. They have a connector here and a junction box that comes with them. So then all you've got to do to hook them up is to wire up the junction box, which can also just be free hanging in the ceiling, and then plug this together, screw it together, and you're connected and you've got light. So they're extremely fast and simple to install. Literally anybody can install these things. First thing you're going to want to do is just find a cavity to install the light. Ensure that where you're going to be drilling, there's no framing behind it, but you just need to be able to drill through the drywall or your suspended ceiling material. You can use a 4 1/8 inch hole saw and it's going to work perfectly, or a 6-inch hole saw for larger lights, and you may have to trim a little bit where the spring is, but it'll still work just fine. So what you end up with, this is a piece of suspended ceiling material. This is the back side of the light. You see how these wings clip on and hold the light in place like so? That's all you do. So we started out with a 4 1/8 inch hole like that, and then just pop that light in there. The wings hold it in place. The reason this works so well with a suspended ceiling is because it's hanging below all the framing material and you don't have much space. So you can see how ultra thin this is, maybe a 1/2 inch at maximum above this part of the light, and then your junction box can be moved around wherever it needs to go. So let's say you had a ceiling joist running directly over the top of this light. No big deal, because you can move this box around in any direction. Makes it really handy to install. Let's take a look at the whole installation process. You've got your wings right here. I've got my hole cut. So you would simply take your wings, and you can already have all this stuff connected, and then just push it up through the hole, and your wings are right here. So as you can see, very easy to just pop that right into place, and those wings pop out like so. Now to wire up your junction box, it's got these little punch outs here on the side. You want to just go ahead, take that off. We'll put one of these knockout plastic pieces in here, like so, and then going to run some 14 gauge wire through there. Now these plastic pieces protect the wire from that metal housing to ensure that it doesn't cut the wire. But then the other thing I love about these Ensenior brand is that they have these quick connectors with 3 different ports. So you've got tons of wiring options, and it's just a matter of poking those in there and you're all wired up. Now we'll push everything down in the box, close that lid, connect the light again. It's easy to find that and connect, and screw that on, and you're all hooked up in just a matter of minutes at maximum. And again, now that we have this whole assembly completed, here's an example. Let's say this was a drywalled ceiling that was already installed and we were remodeling and installing this can light. You could just bring your wire down, hook everything up down here, and then push it up through the hole and pop it in place, and you're all done. These Ensenior kits are excellent. You can get them in 4-inch or 6-inch sizes, as well as 6-pack or 12-pack. Gives you a lot of different options depending on the size project you're doing. They're a tremendous value. Just pull them out and start installing them. The junction boxes work really well. Flip down, quick connectors, flip it back up. This connector works great also. So I cannot say enough good about these lights. They install really easily, and I'd highly recommend them.